Hey guys, it's J.A.Haunt's, and today in this video we'll be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of Spirit Halloween's 2023 Heckles. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so I got this for Christmas today, and yeah, so you can see all around the box. Of course, we have the front of the box, generic for Spirit logo, and we have his name right there. It says what he does: moving mouth and turning head. Balloon lights up with sinister faces. Stands 6.6 foot tall. And then on the side, this side, we just have pictures of him. That one right there. And then this side, we have another picture of him. And then on the back, we of course have his story, like all the other Spirit stuff. But let's open this guy up. So, right when you open him, there's a lot. I see the head, and this looks like a original model. Pretty deformed there, but I'll be able to fix that. Pull that out. Where is the? Is there no? Okay. Very strange right here. Okay, here we go. So, I'm gonna need to stuff this and fix this up a little bit, cause yeah. But it's all right. Yeah. Oh my gosh, there needs to be a lot of stuffing on that. And then we have foam piece 1, foam piece 2, foam piece. Oh, hang on. Foam arm mechanism. Or no, this is the arm with the balloon. Foam on it. And then we have. Hold on. Okay, so we have an arm. This is the static arm. Doesn't do anything. And then we have, his mech and module right there. Yeah. So there's a lot of wires on that. Set that down right there. And then we have his clothes. Pretty nice clothes. We have his balloon sign right there. Then we have pull for his leg. Instructions. More pulls. And shoes. SBI shoes, of course. And another leg pull. And after that, we have the base. This is gonna come out. We're gonna need to get this balloon out. Okay, so hang on. We have an adapter first. Okay, let's pull this out. Okay. Alright. So, slide this box to the side. And we have his, of course, the zip tie. And I thought I was good without scissors. Of course, there are zip ties. So, we have the hand and then the base. This is the hand with the balloon. So, let me grab scissors real quick. Be right back. We're just gonna need to cut this right here. Right down here, like so. Take that off right there. There's the balloon. Pretty nice. And let's get to the setup. Here we go. So we're gonna start with the setup. First we put B poles on each leg. So you put this down here, snap lock that in. Okay, and then after that, I want to get the shoes right here. This one goes right here. You can put it on the shoe coverings or not, whatever you want. But right down there. And then after that, we want to put, so here's C, I believe. Yep, C. And this is the left pole. And then we want to put the D pole on the right side. If that looks pretty. I might have them wrong because this is my right, but let's just see on the other side how it would be. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, now after that, we want to get C and D, H and H, doesn't matter, foam pieces on each of these. And then after that, we want to grab his clothes. We have his balloons side. These are pretty nice clothes, not gonna lie. Collar, really nice collar. It's really good clothes. Let's put these on him. We want to, so we want to put this leg, put it down this. Do not pull Orion's haunts by ripping the clothes. Carnival marker. And then, so put it on each leg. Okay. Why is it not going down? Okay, there we go. Yes. Now we just need to slide this part through like this, just like so. Slide it down with the legs like that, because next we're gonna put on the module and the mechanism. So we want to have it facing this way. I should probably cut that cardboard off. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Go down. Alright guys, I'll cut to when I have this on. So, alright, so I got it on. And then next up, we want to pull the clothes up. That. And then after that, I believe we do that. His head in first, and that's gonna need a lot of stuff in. That is okay. Let's. Oh, yep. I need to cut that still. Let's do this up here. All right, so we got that part off. And now we are going to keep it closed like that, I guess. We'll grab his head. Now we can place it in there like so. Okay, and now I'm going to sneak his wire down. And we want to plug it into the red wire That's unplugged. And then after that, we want to send this up. Just looking up. Okay. Let me see which side. Yeah, this needs to go on the other side, definitely. Okay. So, and yeah, so let's do this. Put it right here. Oh, I see. I just had it. That is a tight weld they put on there. Like really tight. You can't even, hold on. You can't even get that in all the way. That is insanely tight. Okay, now we're gonna plug in the balloon wire right here. Right here on the back. Like that. And then you want to shove this other arm up. Like so. Yeah. Let's put this up here. Like so. And then we want to push this weld into here. If we can. Hopefully. Yep, there we go. Alright, so next to up here as well. So we want to connect this weld to this weld. And then connect the, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a huge problem right there. Because this weld is not, like, it is stuck. This thing cannot go in. Alright, so now we're going to want to put this hand on here, like I was doing, and we did get the weld fixed. Okay, set this in here. Like that, and then we want to bring the sleeve up a little bit so it looks more realistic, of course. We can wear, because there's just a wire back here and it's just loose, so I don't know. Wait, this might have, yeah, this is it. That's to the mechanism. So we just want to wire him up before you get him finished, because it's just way easier. I'm going to plug in his adapter. Now I want to do this. Yeah, just put that over there. And all we really need to do is put the balloon and the ruffle, if you want to call it that. Or not, yeah, balloon sign. I don't know how this goes in. Does it just like hang like that? Yeah, it might just hang like that. I think I have an idea. So what if we do this? And then shoot. Okay, that's not gonna work, I guess. Okay, hang on. Alright, so that worked. We could tie him up in the back, or not tie him up, zip, or Velcro him up, because he's doing, I already have him all wired up. So, yeah. So, let's get to, yeah. Yeah, so now we're going to do this. the collar. So and just a random Velcro piece back there. I don't know. And yeah, so he's set up, and let's cut to the demo. Here we go.
Step right up, and get your balloons here. Only 10 cents. And what's a day at the circus without a balloon? Just don't come a knocking for refunds. Don't ask why.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Alright, please like and subscribe before you go. Alright, bye.